Lonely mother gazing out the window, staring at a son that she can't touch. If any time he is in a jam, she'll be by his side so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep out of trouble. So he goes out and makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the river and the lakes. I know you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little Precious has a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can't handle, but all he can say is, baby's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is fading and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him in his final resting place. Do you hear me? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the river and the lakes that you know. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the river and the lakes. I know you're gonna have it your way or all, but I think you're moving way too fast. Come on now. I've seen a rainbow yesterday, and the storm has come and gone. And I pray that you will have sunny days, but for now I have to be so strong. Gotta be so strong. Only believe in better things, and I hope those days will be soon. And I hear me say, can you hear me? Yes, can you hear me? Believe in yourself. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the river and the lakes you're used to. I know you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving way too fast. Whoa, whoa, don't go chasing waterfalls, baby. I know you're moving too fast. I know you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think that you're moving too fast. That was a big hit. Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls by TLC. Thank you. Good day.